So I got these 2-pack of lights because I like filming, but I have a window here, but the light isn't always consistent. Sometimes it's winter and I would like to be filming in the dark, so that's why I got these lights. They do come in tripods, but I actually attach them to my desk via another like rig. But I loved it too because it's really easy to, if you look here, you can attach it via, like put it on the wall. You can put your tripod in here. I like just a standard bottom tripod, but the lightings too were really pretty. You have your cool light, warm light, neutral light. Usually I'm a neutral light kind of person because I feel like it gives the best effect. But the way to, I have it too, so I have my camera in the middle and the 2 lights coming off of the sides, and I feel like it really gives you the best lighting when you have them on the both of the 45-degree angle. So if you're looking for lights, these are ones I definitely recommend.